What are you doing, Scarlett? What are you opening right now?
My present for Susie.
Is it your birthday?
No.
Almost, huh?
Yeah.
How old are you gonna be?
4.
Woo! What'd you get?
How? I don't know. How?
Cool, a box.
Cool.
What is that?
Oh, cute.
You wanted that one.
Are you a doctor?
Show me, Scarlett. What is that?
I got this stuff in.
So you
Look
could.
at the camera and say thank you, Aunt Susie.
Susie.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Look at the camera, Ben. Look. Look at it.
Oh, this is...
There it is.